Hey guys, what is going on? Neverendingpi here, and today I have an unboxing. So this is from China. I'm pretty sure it is a cube in here. It feels like it. I haven't opened it yet, so I don't know. But I've got some scissors here and getting ready to open it. Feels like Christmas. So I haven't told you guys what this is, and it's going to be awesome. Any guesses? They really packaged this thing. Oh my. The last step. Almost in. Oh my gosh, this thing is heavy. Okay, so this is an 11 by 11. I've never had one of these before, but I decided I had to get one. Just like, look at this thing. It's huge. Let me grab one of my 2x2s. Look at the size difference. Let's see how tall this thing is. It's the height of two regular Rubik's cubes. So probably like 8 of them would be the same size. So I'm just gonna turn it for the first time. Oh wow. So it actually turns really well. I can't believe how tiny those little centerpieces are. It's crazy. So I actually ordered some stickers to go along with this, and I think they're actually in my mailbox. But these stickers seem pretty good, so I'm just gonna leave them on. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna do a checkerboard pattern. Okay, so it does turn really smooth, considering how big this thing is. Yeah, and I think it's already lubed. I can kind of feel it on the outside of the cube. This thing is just such a beast. I don't even have words to describe this. What's that? Oh. Wait, am I missing something? Oh. So you have to actually line this thing up before you can turn it, because it's so big. There we go. So that is what a checkerboard pattern looks like. I can't even get this thing in the camera. Yeah, so I'll have a review of this out pretty soon. I gotta get used to it first, and then I'll be sure to get back to you guys. So let me just show you this. It's almost as big as the rest of my collection. I'll see you guys in the next one.